Hey, what's up guys? So on this video I want to talk about so let's say that you finally built a Facebook page, you have your business ready to go. So what do you do now? So on this video that I recorded, I'm going to show you kind of a template of similar approaches that people are taking in order to actually find customers. So this is kind of how you should take this video. It's intended to teach you how to find customers on Facebook. So what I will do is that I will go to the beginning of this video and I will play it, and as it goes along I will make commentaries about it. Okay, so first of all, it says, "Dear business owner, got a fancy pants website, gone through the 7 steps. The 7 simple steps, right? You've blogged, tweeted, posted on Facebook and Instagram. Is that still a thing?" Okay, so it just continues. But still, nothing's still happening. But this is Steve. Okay, so that's not going to do it for you if you want to go fast. Hold on, wait a minute, Steve. There are parts of the 7 steps, and you're right. So hold my beer. Okay. It's just a number that sounds good because no one else would believe that it would take 6. So he's saying that there's no such thing as 7 simple steps. But he's saying as a joke, it actually only takes 6. Okay, so it says, let me explain the typical douchery. So you got the usual ad or funnel or whatever you want to call it, but still it goes through something like this. I have a super unique webinar that just so happens to be starting in 5 minutes. I'm going to give you the 7-step system that will show you how I deposit a gazillion dollars in my bank account while working only 7 seconds a year, and how you can too. Blah ha ha ha. I'm a douchebag. And then comes the pitch fast manipulated screenshots. And then always talking about me. Sound about right? Well, that's about 90% of our competition. It's insane. It is everywhere. Remember what I just said. There's no such thing as the simple steps. 7 simple steps. Well, I don't have any of those simple systems. What I do have, however, is a smarter, simpler, speedier approach to get noticed and they get paid. Even if you're a no-name with no list, no proof, a program that's paused, or an itsy bitsy ad budget, there's 0 chance you believe me. How about I just show you? I filmed a free video that reveals the 2 tools that power my entire business, how my funnel converts big ticket buyers, how to take one Facebook ad that you put on the map, you're looking at it. Well, how to set up and launch the entire funnel A to Z and get sub $2 leads all day like it's Chili's happy hour. Scale without cost, going crazy, and proof of everything behind the scenes. In fact, how about I just show you my back end, my Facebook ad account? I said no entrepreneur ever. Until now, I'll even try to bribe you by throwing in something extra special that I know will help you. So why am I doing this? Oh, I don't know, maybe because someone being genuine is the new thing these days. See for yourself. I know you'll like it. You won't be able to look away by glistening nose hair after a sneeze. See over there. Okay, so it finishes there. So first of all, I want to mention that it reads like it's a personal letter. It's intended to elicit humor out of us. So really important that you remember that aspect. So enter the website and we're going to see what's in it. So you can see the standard landing page with the free ebook intended to hook you in. That's usually how funnels start. That's how the funnel will start, by collecting emails. So you'll see here, the essential guide to generating more profit for your business in record time. And already he's telling you what he's going to cover. Bullet points are always great to emphasize key points. So seems like he mentions the W's, the where, the what, the questions, and what he shares. Then there are other fields to collect additional information. So I wanted to mention off by giving emphasis on the fact that these are here. So about, contact, privacy, terms. So I clicked on about on here. Okay. So I do want to give credit to the original person. Okay. So there's the contact information, give credit. Okay, so I do want to emphasize the website. And so here's what you need to know. So I want to show this because I believe it's really important to showcase regarding privacy. So privacy, I'm serious about protecting your privacy while hanging out here. Understand that I've done everything I can to make sure that you have a safe and secure experience. That said, here's what you need to know. I track how you use this website and use it in Facebook retargeting campaigns. What kind of marketer would I be if I didn't, right? A site-wide pixel helps me serve up the most relevant content and advertisement for you. You can go here to opt out of the interest-based advertising that cookies and pixels make possible if that creeps you out. If you get on my email list, if you're not, I'll guard your e-digits with my life. Well, AWeber will. Translation, your email address will not be rented or sold or compromised in any way. So there is a one-click unsubscribe link in every email I send. If you have any questions about this privacy, holler. Okay, so it's just there. And I clicked on holler and it goes back to contact. So I wanted to look at the terms. So here are the terms. Be cool. I'll do the same. Don't plagiarize. I know I've got some good liners, but still, no negativity. Okay. Do steal stuff. I know you won't, because that make you like basic whatever. Okay. Take full credit for your success. Okay. I agree. You get all the credit for sure. Okay. So I wanted to look at the privacy once again, and I wanted to look at the opt-out link specifically, since I think that it outlines specific things that are not very well known. For example, opt-outs, availabilities, and how you can segment specific opt-out information. So what this means is that, okay, let me just show you. So the ability to segment specific opt-outs to your users allows you to still have the door open to potentially offer something to your users. So you will see here that they have a mobile device opt-out as well as an option of its own. Okay, I'll skip a little bit. Okay, so let's skip a little bit more. Okay, go back to here. Okay, so learn more about the opt-outs for mobile devices. Manage my browser's opt-outs. So here's the browser one. And when you go back, you'll see what it checks. It checks for JavaScript, network quality check, first-party cookie, and third-party cookie. And then your speed connection and browser configuration. Okay, so you'll see that there are specific services that they're allowing you to opt out individually instead of opting out completely altogether. You do, of course, have the option of opting out all of the services available on the website. So you can take either approach where you opt out, like unsubscribe, for example. If you unsubscribe, that means that they never want to hear from you again, versus if they opt out specifically for specific things. I mean, that's assuming that they're even aware of what any of these even are. You're giving them a lot of credit for them to even know. A lot of these, I'm not even sure what they are myself. So, let me go back. So I clicked on Learn More. No, actually, I went back, sorry. So, more about mobile device opt-outs. So you'll see here that you can opt out, for example, for ads, specifically for ads to display on mobile devices. But that's more on a technical aspect on your phone, so forget the mobile one, not so important on this video. Okay. Okay. Alright, so let's do this now. So as you can tell, great job overall, in my opinion. So how do I become like you? I don't want to be a business owner. I'd rather be what you're doing and teach. So a business owner, still gotta pay taxes, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Okay, so and I told that guy to learn about funneling. Okay, so this video, I hope that it helps you understand. But you can see that people were asking him like, how are you doing what you're doing? But I showed you kind of like an overview of how he breaks it down and how he just goes from there. Alright, so I'm Jeffrey. If you have any questions, please let me know. Alright.